Hi everyone, this is Mac and welcome to your second video of basic programming. Now, in the last class, we performed a question that was based on count control loop. We print even numbers from 20 to 100, that was inclusive, and we used a for to next loop. In this video, we are going to perform the same question, but this time we are going to use two different loops. The first loop will be a pre-condition loop and the second loop will be a post condition loop. Now when we talk about the precondition loop, that loop is actually while, do and while. And when we talk about post condition loop, we have repeat until. Now both the loops works differently for different conditions, and we are going to solve the same question using both the loops. If you haven't seen the first video, kindly go through that video so you have a good idea of which question we are going to perform. Now again, the question is same. We are going to print all even numbers from 20 till 100 inclusive using, but this time, a precondition loop. So let's start with the question. I declared a variable that is dimension x as integer, and we know that integers are whole numbers. I initialized the value of x as 20. So I initialized the value of x as 20, and I write the statement that is while x is less than equal to 100, and we can perform our task. So class, we know that this is our condition. The current value of x over here is 20. So let me check. 20 is less than equal to 100. So the condition is true, and while loop ends when the condition is false. So our loop will run when this condition will become false, then our loop is going to end. Our loop will start, and now we are going to print the value of x, and let's say console dot write line, and we print the value of x, and what will be printed, class? It will be printed as 20. Now we don't have any by default increment in while loop, so we need to increment x is equal to x plus 2. Now the value of x will become 22, and I write over here and while. I ended the loop over here and while. Now this and while will take us again at top of the loop. Now we are going to compare the value of x again. Now this time the value of x will be 22, and 22 is less than equal to 100. Again condition is true, our loop will run. Now this time we are going to print 22, and this will go on and on till when let's say we reach over here 100, and we are going to compare. 100 is less than equal to 100. Again the condition is true. We are going to print 100, and now the value will become 102. Now we will compare. 102 is less than equal to 100, and the condition will become false, and our loop will be ended because while loop ends when the condition is false. That's it for now. We are going to solve the same question using a post condition loop in our next video. Thank you.